Why are Gary and I leaving our nice air-conditioned New York City apartment and headed out into the 90-degree streets? Well, the previous night we were listening to our favorite cruise news show, The Cruise Show with Tony from Loca, and he mentioned that there was going to be a Norwegian cruise line Great Stirrup Cay pop-up in New York City. Our next cruise isn't until mid-September. So you all know we are experiencing major withdrawal symptoms. Can't be on a cruise right now? Fine, maybe this pop-up will be the next best thing. So why don't you all come with us?
Come and cruise with us. Come and cruise with us. Come and cruise with us, and you won't regret it.
The pop-up was located on 104 Grand Street, which is in Soho, Manhattan. Via subway, that's about a 25-minute trip for us, door to door. This is Gary's I Hate the Subway and all things about the subway face.
Babe, tell me what you just told me to do.
There's been a lot of phone thefts lately, and for you to hang on to your phone tightly, and you said, what'd you say?
I said I'm using it to film.
Oh yeah, you're using it to film, duh. And so most of the thefts come from girls that put their phone in their back pocket.
Well, I don't.
But you don't do that, do you?
No, my phone is always in my hand. Yeah.
We probably would have missed the entrance if there hadn't been people outside holding signs. The facade looked like a boarded up, graffitied building, but if you looked closely, there were some funny cruise ship references. The first thing you did upon entering was enter for a chance to win a 4-day cruise from Miami to Great Stirrup Cay. I hope we win. Immediately after, Gary went up to the bar and got a watermelon drink. It was so good.
It's watermelon drink.
Non-alcoholic,
It's
right?
watermelon.
Yes. Thank you so much. Welcome from Laurie and Gary Cruise. We're here in on Canal Street. I think it's Canal Street. And they're giving away free cruises, and that's one of the main reasons why we're here. And this place looks great. They got a really nice setup. I'm really psyched about this. I'm here with my wife, Laurie, from Laurie and Gary Cruise. She's going to talk to you in a few minutes. I'm really pumped about this. Got free drinks, watermelon, but still, it's a very hot day. It's 90 degrees here today in New York City, and the humidity is way up, but we're really psyched, pumped about this. That's all for now from me.
One of the confusing things about this pop-up is, why are they having this pop-up? We thought it was because NCL is having major infrastructure upgrades to the island. It's investing $150 million in a redevelopment project, which includes, currently they have a 1,500-foot pier under construction, which will enable 2 large ships to dock simultaneously. Coming in late 2025, they have the Great Life Lagoon, a stunning 1.4-acre heated pool area with 2 swim-up bars. They have Splash Harbor, a 3,400 square foot splash pad for kids. And then coming in 2026, they have the Great Tides Water Park with 19 water slides, an 800-foot dynamic river, cliffside cove, splash zone, and so much more, but none of this was mentioned anywhere in the pop-up. Now, I just read that all from ChatGPT, but I think this pop-up should have had a lot more literature about this, but they did have hair braiding, so that's one thing.
So this pop-up is super cute. I hope you can hear me talking. There's a whole Caribbean calypso band going on right behind me. But there's not so much to do here. Like we heard loads of prizes and giveaways, but there's really only one giveaway, which is to win a free cruise, which we'll take. But they've also got the little bar, but the main thing is it's air conditioned. And yeah, that's super nice. And overall, it looks great. Glad we came out. I wouldn't say it would be something that you could spend. We'll probably be here for about 15-20 minutes, then head on out. But it was a nice little thing to do in New York City today, especially if you love cruising.
I saw someone holding a little branded NCL fan, so I asked one of the employees about it, and they were like, sure, yeah, we have fans, you can get one for free, and they gave me one. And I was just so confused because they weren't really handing them out. You had to kind of go undercover and ask for one. Usually at pop-ups, they're pushing all the free goodies at you. I don't know, maybe it was because it was the last day and they were running low. Also, there was a photographer there who took pictures of legit everyone there but us. Don't you know who we are, NCL? We are famous YouTubers with 2,100 followers. Let us know in the comments below if you think NCL did not capitalize on our fame properly. Also, that's Gary at the bar trying to get a second drink. Denied, but on the way out, we did see that there was a popsicle stand. And while we're waiting online to get a popsicle, can I ask you guys to also please hit the like and subscribe button with the notification bell on? It's free, it doesn't cost anything, and it would really help us out. So listen, you guys, overall, you can see I love the screens. We love the sand on the ground. This was a really pretty, well-made pop-up. We just think NCL could have pushed and educated a little more about their brand.
Baby, did you have fun at that?
Yeah,
What flavor ice did you get?
this is coconut.
Oh, sounds good.
A watermelon drink, and I swang on the swing, and we put in our bid for a free cruise.
Yeah.
So all is well.
Yeah, baby.